Hello friends, if you were asked which vitamin dependency is responsible for seizures, which vitamin dependency is responsible for neonatal seizures. So if you see this, actually pyridoxine vitamin is one of the causes of, it will cause pyridoxine deficiency or pyridoxal dependency disorders. Pyridoxal dependency disorders will result in seizures, and these seizures are actually multifocal clonic seizures which will start during the first few hours of life. This will start during the first few hours of life. So this is about the pyridoxine. Thank you for watching.